How to redeem Apple Music code from Best Buy. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for bestbuy.com. It will land you on the official page of Best Buy. Once you are in here, click on Account over here and then click on Sign In. Enter your login credentials like your email address and the password and then click on Sign In. Once you have been logged in the search bar, search for Apple Music. Well, the free Apple Music for the 4 months will be available to you. What you want to do is click on Add to Cart and then click on Go to Cart. Look into your order summary and then click on Checkout. Well, inside payment information, first of all what you want to do is enter your credit or debit card number. Once you enter your credit or debit card number, then only you will be able to use Best Buy gift card. So once you have entered your credit card, click on Use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code over here. And then you have to enter the code of your gift card. Once you have entered, click on Apply and then it will be applied successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use Apple Music code from Best Buy. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.